And of course, retail spending is kind of a clue to the health of the economy, right? Consumer spending drives so much of the economy. So those can be looked at as a little bit of a gauge to how just the strength of the economy is doing, the strength of consumer spending is doing. So anything
Exactly, and
else on
I'll
that
add
front you'd
their
want?
guidance too going forward. I mean, when a
Exactly.
Walmart comes to the podium and talks about what they see going forward, the other retailers, it's probably they're probably listening too on what a Walmart says going forward.
Right.
Yeah.
And then the other thing to keep an eye on this week is Jackson Hole Symposium. I know the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, is set to speak. And I believe, Preston, that's later this week, so the 21st. So that's, of course, could give us a little more insight onto any rate cut expectations. I know the futures markets that are, kind of predict the likelihood of a rate cut for that September meeting. They've been bouncing around 90%, 92%, 85%. So all to say, there's a pretty strong likelihood the market is pricing in at least a 0.25, so a quarter of a percent rate cut